Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to make our video faster on Capcut. After you import your video to the Capcut, you can click on the video and then you can choose the speed option right here. And there will be two options. The first one is normal and the second one is curve. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the normal one. So you got to click normal, and then you can make your video 2 times faster or even 100 times faster, and I'm going to choose 2 times faster. And you can click this checklist more after you choose the speed and click this button, and alright, now the video is faster than before. Okay guys, that's how we can make our video faster, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.